If you're new, my name is Vivian. I say this all the time. I do all kinds of videos on beauty, fashion, hauls, vlogs, all sorts of fun things. So if you're interested in all things beauty, lifestyle, and fashion, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Today is one of my fun ones. This is my Stitch Fix try on and review. I have tried everything on already, so I'll be trying on everything right here next to me, so make sure you leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of each item. I love reading your comments, and thank you to those of you that do it consistently almost every time I post a video. You guys are so committed and you always comment, and I so appreciate that, so thank you so much. How to get started. I haven't read my note though from my stylist, so let me go ahead and do that. It is Michelle again. She's been my stylist pretty much all the time, and she listens to my requests. I put down in the app every month, you know, typically something that I'm looking for, and she always tries to fulfill my request. Obviously every time it's not possible, but that's fine. If you guys are new to Stitch Fix and you want to know more about it, I'll put the link down below. It is a referral link, and if you use it, I do get a referral for you guys signing up, so thank you to those of you that have done that as well. So let's go ahead and read it. It says, "Hi Vivian, happy August Fix Day. Can you believe it is August already?" No, I can't. But you know what? Like I said in my trunk club video, if you guys haven't seen that, I'll link it up here probably. Basically, I'm kind of over summer. So last year at this time, I was not ready for, you know, fall clothes. I was starting to get some fall clothes in my subscription boxes, and I wasn't ready for that. This year, I just have a different attitude. I'm kind of like over summer. It's been really hot. It's been really muggy. It's been really humid here, and I'm just kind of ready for sweaters and boots. I'm going to kick myself in a couple months, and I'm going to regret saying that, I'm sure, because the winters here are long and hard typically. So, but I'm just kind of like ready for winter. So anyway, that's just like a side note. Where's the summer going? Before we know it, fall will be knocking at the door, bringing some cooler air, pumpkin spice, and warm, cozy layers. To prepare you for the season, I'm sending some transitional styles in berries and olive to get you started. The Prosperity jeans will be a go-to this fall. Try wearing them with the Honey Punch Camo hoodie and your favorite booties. For work, try the Calvin Klein dress with black denim jacket you received in your May fix. So I do love that jacket. Or with the Kenzie Velvet Blazer in Burgundy from last November. So she's definitely looking at my purchases from last year. Let me know what you think of this edgy style. I'm also sending you the Marlyn Schiff bracelet, the Marlyn Schiff bracelet stack. Let me know if this is the style you had in mind, XO Michelle. I did mention in the app that I wanted a stack bracelet, but I kind of wanted more like a casual, and I typically don't like the boho style, but more of like a bohemian, not too beaded, but like a few beaded, you know, stacks, and then maybe some like really dainty metal stacks. And the bracelets stack that she sent me is all like chunky metal, so it's not really what I'm looking for. I kind of have something similar. At the end of the video, I will let you guys know what I decided to keep and what I paid for each item. If there's multiple items, I'll let you guys know so that you don't just watch the video and not know what I decided to keep. So since we're talking about this bracelet, I'm going to go ahead and show this first. It came in this cute little box. This is the Marlyn Schiff Windsor multi-strand bracelet in silver, and this is $38. You can see me trying it on here, and next to me, they're multiple bracelets, and they're singles, and so you don't have to wear them all together. So it's just a ton of like singles, and they're coming in a few different, you know, like sizes. So this one is a little chunkier than like this one. So there's a few different, you know, size variations. So it's kind of cool. I mean, you don't have to wear them all together. And you know, if you're just feeling like, hey, I just want to, you know, have a nice little silver bracelet, maybe even with another one that you have already, like a dainty one like this, that would look really pretty. I really just don't need it. And I'm just trying to be really picky as to what I decide to keep and stuff. But if I didn't have something similar already, I would definitely be keeping this because the price is right. It's very versatile. You can wear 3, you can wear 4, you can wear 1, you can wear 2, whatever. You can wear them all together for like a fancier event. I don't think I'd wear these all to work, but I'd probably wear one or two to the office. So kind of a nice option that they're not all linked together. So I really like it, but again, I have something similar. Okay, the camo hoodie she's talking about right here. Obviously when I saw this, I was like, ah, love it. You always got me with camo hoodies. Love it. Love sweatshirts. I love casual clothes. I like fun going out clothes too, but I live in these, especially in the fall, nights and weekends. Just love it. So this is the Honey Punch Michelle Camo Knit Hoodie in olive, size medium, and this is $29. So the price is spot on. Love it. It's comfortable. It's not too tight, but it's not super big and flowy. Now I can't remember if it covers my butt or not, but I don't think it totally does. So it's comfortable, it's soft, it's well made, it's a good material. So I like it, and I think this would be a great addition to my wardrobe. I do have some other camo pieces, but I don't have a camo hoodie, so always a good excuse to keep something like this, and the price is right. Okay, the next item she mentioned were these jeans. I love these jeans. They are so comfy. They feel like butter. They kind of do cinch everything in. I really, really like them. And it's these jeans right here by Prosperity. Just simple in the front, but then each of the knees is distressed. Pretty majorly distressed there, but nothing in the back. And then the bottom hem is frayed, which I love a frayed hem. I think they are a little bit high-rise, but they're not ridiculous. They don't go up too high, which I actually kind of like right now, but they're not low-rise necessarily either. So they're kind of like an in-between in my opinion. Prosperity Lena Distress Released Hem Skinny Jean in indigo and a size 4P, and the cost is $78. So under $100 for some jeans, I'm always happy about. I don't think the price is bad at all. Super comfortable. I think the back is cute. The pockets have a little bit of an unusual detail and a little bit of distressing. Not a ton. And again, there's no distressing in the back. Just a little bit of a fade kind of back behind the knee, but that's about it. So these are super comfortable. And I'm not quite sure yet what I'm going to do. I do have some similar to this. I have a ton of jeans. I don't necessarily need another pair, but you know, when it comes to jeans, you just can never have enough for some reason. Next up is this beautiful burgundy top. This is the Laila Jayde Bowie 3/4 sleeve dolman knit top in burgundy, size medium, and it's $58. I think it's a little bit pricey, but not bad. It's a little bit transparent. I do think you're going to want to wear either a same color bralette or a completely different color bralette just to kind of offset it, or a cami underneath if you don't like the, the bralette option where you can actually see it. But it's so comfortable, really, really soft, really nice, very rich fall color. I love burgundies and mauves for the fall, so I love it. Probably not something I'm desperate for or need, but I would get a lot of use out of it. I would definitely wear this to the office pretty much all through the fall and winter. It would look good with a variety of different things: jeans, black jeans, distressed jeans, black pants for work, a black skirt for work. So you could wear this with a lot of different things. I think it's really nice, and I do like that dolman sleeve. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, last but not least is the Calvin Klein dress that she talked about. This is the Reese dress in burgundy, size 4, and this is $88. So a little bit up there, but I think for a Calvin Klein dress, it's not bad. It is still under $100, so it is pretty nice. And I do like the plaid. I do like the color. So here it is. It's a very rich, very nice color. I love the like really gold zipper in the back, just like a really obvious zipper. I really like it. I probably would have preferred it in silver, but I don't think it matters. I think it's a really nice addition to the dress. I think it would look really nice with that little black like coat that I did get a few months back. So I think it would be really, really pretty. I don't know that I need it. I definitely think I could use it. I would definitely wear this to work. I think it's really nice. I think it would be really a perfect transition piece. You could still wear it now, kind of late summer, and then again layer it in, the fall and winter, wear it with some boots. I think would be really, really pretty. So I'm debating on this one, but it is really nice. I think it looks good, and I think the fit is really, really nice too. So let me know what you guys think about that. My subtotal is $291. If I buy all at the 25% discount, it's a $72.75 discount. So then my total would be $218.25, which actually is not bad for a couple tops, a dress, pair of jeans, and a bracelet stack. So I don't think that is a bad price at all when you get the discount and you bulk it all together. I just don't necessarily think I'm going to buy the whole thing, but you never know. I'll let you know at the end of the video what I decide to keep. And if you guys like these kind of videos, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and let me know what you guys think of this video, or if you have any video requests for me, like if you want to see a certain type of video. I don't know. I'm just trying to come up with maybe something a little different. I do love doing these unboxings, and I get 2-3 subscription boxes every month, so it's kind of nice to just open them up and share them with you guys. But if you have any other video requests, leave them down below, and if I can accommodate, I definitely will. So that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.